Looking for the ultimate smartphone of 2026? Today, we're reviewing the Apple iPhone 15 Pro, one of the most trending phones on Amazon USA. With its incredible camera, lightning-fast performance, and sleek design, this phone has creators, gamers, and tech enthusiasts talking. But is it really worth the hype and price? Let's find out. The Apple iPhone 15 Pro is undoubtedly one of the most talked about smartphones in 2026. Whether you're a content creator, gamer, or just someone who wants the latest technology, this phone promises top-of-the-line performance. Design and build. The iPhone 15 Pro comes with a sleek and modern design. Apple has upgraded the materials to make it lighter, stronger, and more premium in hand. The edges are smoother, and the phone feels incredibly comfortable to hold, even for long periods. The display is a 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR display, offering vivid colors, deep blacks, and crisp visuals. Whether you are streaming movies, editing photos, or playing games, the screen quality is exceptional. Camera performance. One of the biggest reasons people choose the iPhone 15 Pro is its camera. Apple has upgraded the camera system to include a triple lens setup, featuring a wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto lens. The main sensor captures stunning low-light images. The ultra-wide lens allows you to get breathtaking landscape shots. The telephoto lens provides 3x optical zoom, perfect for portraits and distant shots. For video creators, the iPhone 15 Pro supports 4K video at 60 FPS and cinematic mode with smooth focus transitions. This is ideal for vloggers, TikTok creators, and YouTubers who want professional quality video from a phone. Performance and processor. The iPhone 15 Pro is powered by Apple's A17 Bionic chip, which is faster and more energy efficient than ever before. Apps open instantly, games run smoothly, and multitasking is seamless. Even heavy apps like video editors and high-end games run without lag. Apple's software optimization ensures the phone feels smooth and responsive, making it a top choice for power users who want reliability. Battery life. Battery life on the iPhone 15 Pro has improved compared to previous models. You can easily get a full day of heavy usage, including gaming, social media, and video streaming. Fast charging and MagSafe wireless charging add convenience for people on the go. Storage options. Apple offers multiple storage variants, including 128GB, 256GB, 512GB, and 1 TB, allowing users to store huge amounts of photos, videos, and apps without worrying about space. iOS 17 features. The iPhone 15 Pro runs iOS 17, packed with new features for productivity, security, and creativity. Features like live text, improved FaceTime, focus modes, and advanced photo editing tools make it a versatile device for both personal and professional use. Connectivity. Apple has also upgraded connectivity with 5G support and faster Wi-Fi 6E, ensuring you get the best possible internet speeds for streaming, gaming, or work. Why buy Apple iPhone 15 Pro? Cutting-edge camera system, perfect for creators and photography enthusiasts. High performance. A17 Bionic chip handles everything smoothly. Sleek design, light, premium, and comfortable to hold. iOS ecosystem, seamless integration with other Apple devices. Long-term updates. Apple phones receive iOS updates for many years. Resale value. Apple devices hold value better than most smartphones. Who should buy this phone? YouTubers and content creators, mobile photographers, tech enthusiasts, gamers looking for high performance, professionals who need a reliable phone for work. Final thoughts. The Apple iPhone 15 Pro is one of the most powerful and feature-packed smartphones of 2026. Its camera capabilities, sleek design, powerful processor, and ecosystem make it a must-have for anyone who wants top-tier performance in a compact, stylish device. If you want the latest Apple experience and are willing to invest in a phone that will last for years, the Apple iPhone 15 Pro is a fantastic choice.